the dance. And if the dance is 20 seconds, that's the only clip we need. I can't go for a whole minute. I just need 20 seconds. Let's do it. What we got? Translator? Who's going to lead?
So we need to finish.
Yeah, we need to come back over here. Let's come back over there.
Over here?
Yeah. Get closer, a little closer to the light. Come on, come on.
Chat, man. Love, brother. Hey, it's on mute. We're muted? Yeah.
Is it muted?
Okay, yeah, somebody's tripping. All right, let's get it. What we got? Hey, what's the name of that song? What's the name of that song?
Let Me Be.
Let Me Be. All right, today we're going to be doing Let Me Be. Let's see how good we can get it. Let's see how good. Come on.
Let's go. Who's the first
I only need the first couple of movements. Step one is what? Hold my phone. So you can get it with my phone. Oh, that was the new one? Oh, okay. All right, what we got? First move. Let me know if I'm doing too much with the shoulders. Let me. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Let me be.
Let me be. Do it again?
Yes.
Wait, did you move the feet? Do it again. Do it one more time. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Let me be.
Let me be.
Yes.
Hold on, go one more time. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Let me be.
Let me.
Okay.
Let me be. Let me be. All right, let's try. 1, 2,
5, 6, 7, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Let me be. 5, 6, 7, go. Let me be.
Ah! Chat, am I there or no? All right, keep going. Am I there?
7, go. Let me be. When you move like that on me.
Do that part again.
Yes.
When you move like that on me.
Like, throw that shoulder.
All right, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Let me be.
Okay, I got that part. If I ain't got nothing else, I got that part. Hey, look, so what we might do is if I can't get it, I just walk away and then I just start vibing with them. You know what I'm saying? And I let them do their thing and I just get in the shot. What you think, Chad? I ain't got to do the whole dance on day one. Huh? 5, 6, 7, 8.
Let me be. Woo. When you move like that on me.
Woo. I lost me with that.
Let me be. Don't talk. Just see, let me be.
They actually talking to me. He said, "Don't stop, just don't talk, just." Cause I keep stopping, and they said, "Don't stop, just chop." Do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Let me be. When you move like that on me.
All right.
That's the second part.
Let's get that second part.
Yeah, that's the second
You come to the middle, or you want to do it? You instruct this one.
Where we do?
So after we do the let me be, let me be. All right? We got this right here, right? Then from there, what we got after that, bro? What we got after that, though? Dang, I ain't gonna be able to get that, though. Hold on. I'm gonna just do the hand movement, because I can't do the knees like that.
Yes. Let me be, let me be.
That's good?
Tangira Kambere, first part.
5, 6, 7, let me be. Let me be, let me be.
Second part now.
When you move like that on me. You. Wow.
Follow me.
You.
Follow me.
No, you.
Follow me. Okay, follow me. Right there?
Follow.
Follow me.
There we go.
That's good?
When you move like that.
Hold on, wait. So, what part is this right here? What part is the sound of this?
Yes.
Let me be. Okay, when you move. Because the words is going to help me, right? So, when you move. Okay, when you move like follow me. Okay, let's try that. Let's try that by itself. When you, are y'all ready? 5, 6.
Can we center everyone?
Everybody get centered real quick.
We need some people here.
Chat, I can't dance.
They need
We'll
it.
keep it real. Y'all see me doing a lot of stuff. Tire jump.
Some people here.
You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty strong. I'm pretty fast.
Nice, just like that.
But dancing,
Indian eyes. Perfect. Closer.
all the Hall brothers,
Indian eyes.
unite.
Closer. Good.
All right, cool.
Better.
And you my instructor. And you've been killing it too. All y'all killing it. All right. So hold on. When you move like. All right, wait. Am I doing the knees right though? When you move like follow me.
Yes, like that. Like that.
Hey.
Hey.
Yeah. I gotta step into my Jackson era. Huh?
Oh, Lord.
Sir?
That is that part.
Sir?
You.
This one.
The sound?
Okay. Sir? Wait. Start over. Wait, hold on. Let's do the 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do the when you move like follow me. All right, let's keep doing that part. All right.
This part, you can only move forward.
We're on a better.
Only that. When you move, like,
Oh, you gotta go forward.
yeah, you go forward.
When you move like follow me.
Toward the shoulder.
Like that.
Okay, so when you move like follow me.
Yeah. When, after this, you keep
Hey, I done discovered a new
legs
talent.
going.
At least, all right, maybe not a talent, but a hobby though. All right, so when you move like follow me.
No, you don't stop. You don't stop. After this, you don't stop. You keep the legs going.
Oh, when you move like follow me.
Yeah. Like that.
Okay. So 5, 6, 7, 8. When you move like follow me.
Let me be, let me be.
Okay. Let me be. Just let me be happy, bro.
Yeah.
Let me do my thing, bro.
Let's go from the top.
You ready? All right.
Start from zero.
Start from zero.
No. Hey. Let's do the second part. Then we're gonna do the first part again. Then we do the whole thing.
Yeah.
Hey. I was a B student. On a good day. All right, so. When you move like follow me.
Let me be.
Wow, nice.
Okay, all right.
Let's get it.
All right. 5, 6, 7. No. On small. 5, 6, 7, 8. Say that. We on you.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Go. Let's go.
All right, go.
5, 6, 7, go.
When you move like that on me. Let me be, let me be.
Don't stop. Hey, somebody gotta tighten up.
You know what I mean? I already forgot where I have started.
Huh?
I already forgot where we were started.
Nah, No, you're good. Hey, look, he came in freestyling on chat. That boy was going crazy. All right, on you. 5, 6, 7, 8. On you. Okay, let's do it.
5, 4.
Hold on.
No. That's it. 5, 6, 7, go.
So look, chat. When it comes to swag and dancing, you got to do it effortless. You know what I'm saying? You can't be like all grinched up.
Yeah, no.
You just got to be relaxed. Like when he's doing that 5, 6, 7, 8, we just chilling because we,
100%.
you know what, we know what we doing. Ain't that right?
Yeah.
100%.
100%.
100%. Ha! All right, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it.
Yeah.
On Indian ass, let's do it.
Let's go, bro.
5, 6, 7, 8. Stop. All right, go ahead. On you.
5, 6, 7, 8.
You move like that. Oh, follow me.
Let me be. Don't stop.
Don't stop.
Don't
Don't talk. Follow.
Don't stop.
All right, we're going too far. All right, one more. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Go.
When you move like that on me. Let me be. Don't stop. Don't talk.
Hey, don't stop. Don't
All right,
talk.
let's go for the first one. We got 1 and 2 down, chat. Watch. We like 12 seconds in. The goal is to get 20. All right, what's the first one? We're going back to the first one. Let's get it. 6, 7, 8.
Let me be.
Woo.
When you move like that on me. Let me be. Don't stop. Don't talk. Just feel it.
Just see it.
All right, man, it was 70%.
Just.
That part is good.
Hey, 70%. That first part easy now. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
All right, so 5.